Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure Tlauncher and the correct Java are installed. This avoids runtime errors later. Once done, open Tlauncher and go straight to the Profile Selector or Snapshots tab. You should back up your Minecraft folder now, copy saves and resource packs to a separate folder, because snapshots can change world data. Make sure the launcher shows snapshot builds. If not, enable experimental builds in settings so you can select and launch a snapshot profile safely. Next, choose the snapshot you want from the versions list or add a custom version if needed. Snapshots are labeled by date and number. Create a new profile for that snapshot. Give it a clear name, set a separate game directory to isolate saves, and allocate memory. Try 4G if you have 8G total. Modify JVM arguments only if comfortable. Enable experimental features or snapshot toggles. Then save the profile, so you keep stable profiles separate from snapshot testing and avoid cross-contamination. Now launch the snapshot profile and create a test world to verify core mechanics. Spend a few minutes checking terrain, mobs, and inventory behavior. If the game crashes, open Tlauncher logs and the Minecraft crash report, then try disabling mods or switching to a vanilla snapshot. If issues persist, restore your backup by copying your saved folder back into Minecraft. Finally, report reproducible bugs with logs and steps taken. That helps developers fix snapshot regressions more quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.